Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your default browser on Mac. So by default, your default browser is set to Safari. So when you click on a link such as this, it's going to open it automatically in Safari. Now I know a lot of people don't use Safari, so they want to be able to change their browser. Now sometimes it'll pop up in Google Chrome to automatically change this. Other times it won't. So all you're going to want to do is go to System Preferences, and if it's not down in your toolbar, you can find it by just typing System Preferences and it'll pop up. And you're just going to head to the General tab, and here you can see Default Web Browser. And you're just going to click this, and whichever web browsers you have installed, so whether it's Opera or Firefox, they'll all appear here. I have Google Chrome installed, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now when I click this link over here, it's going to open it up in Google Chrome for me. And just like that, it's opened it up in Google Chrome. Now alternatively, your default browser is set to Safari. So if I go ahead and open up and see it's set to Safari, and you open up Google Chrome and you head to a web page, it's not going to pop up. There's nothing here to tell you how to change your browser. So this is the simplest way, just to change it right here, and that's it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to keep these videos coming.